Cleanliness, they say, is next to godliness, right? Farm animals are also required to be housed, fed, and well taken care of. Why? Because eating unhealthy animals can also affect humans. Let's look at housing, feeding, and hygiene of pigs. Housing. Pigs are housed in pens. Just like dogs are kept in kennels, pigs are basically reared in pens. Pens should also be sited far from residential areas because of their odor and noise. What about feeding pigs? A balanced diet should be offered to pigs. They should be well fed, not overfed to prevent excessive fat deposition. The way humans are concerned about watching their weight, pigs should also be fed appropriately. Thirdly, hygiene of pigs includes scrubbing their pens regularly. Their pens should also be regularly disinfected to prevent germs. Importantly, pigs should be dewormed at regular intervals. Trust you had for learning in this lesson. Bye.